Sacred Heart High School, Standard 7, Chapter number 13, Presentation View. You can view your PowerPoint slides in a number of different ways. Certain views are helpful in creating a presentation. Some are helpful in editing and some are helpful in viewing the presentation flow. Next, different types of presentation view. PowerPoint 2016 comes built in with 5 different ways. The following are the different presentation views. First, normal. Second, outline view. Third, slide sorter. Fourth, notes page. Fifth, reading view. To access this view, click on the View tab and switch between different views in the presentation view group. It also has 3 master views. First, Slide Master. Second, Hangout Master. Third, Notes Master. Let us explore the presentation view. First, Normal View. It is a typical view used for creating and viewing presentation slides. It displays 3 panels: the thumbnail panel, notes panel, and the current slide. You can create speaker notes in this view. You can create, edit, and delete slides in the normal view. Second, outline view. It is used to create an outline for your presentation. Outline view displays only the text in your slides. Third, slide sorter. In slide sorter, the slides are arranged horizontally as thumbnails. It is helpful in rearranging the slides. Fourth, notes page. Notes page is used to display the speaker's notes. The slide will be at the top along with the notes at the bottom. Fifth, reading view. Reading view is used to view the presentation as a slideshow that fits within the window, which is not a full screen like slideshow view. Next topic is Master Views. Master View helps you make changes to every slide. Notes, hangout, or page in your presentation. Example, you can create custom templates using the Slide Master. Editing a presentation in Slide Sorter view. Once you have created a presentation, you may find that you need to edit it. You may also need to add and rearrange slides for better flow of subject matter presentation. Slide sorter is the best way to add and rearrange the slides. Adding slides in the slide sorter. To add slides in slide sorter, you need to follow these steps. First, on the View tab, click on Slide Sorter View in the Presentation Views group. Second, to add a new slide between 2 slides, right-click between the grey space and select New Slide. Third, a new slide is added. Rearrange slides in Slide Sorter. In PowerPoint 2016, you can also change the order of the slides in your presentation. Slide Sorter allows you to view and rearrange many slides. First, switch to Slide Sorter view. Second, select the slide you want to move. Third, click and hold the selected slide. Fourth, drag and place the slide where you want to move the slide. Fifth, release the mouse and the slide will appear in its new position. Thank you for attending the class. We have completed chapter number 13.